It's currently 40 degrees here in Texas. This BMW car has been sitting here for like 4 or 5 days, and it has not gotten above 40 degrees for the last 4 or 5 days. And I tried to start it earlier, it wouldn't start because it's a diesel engine. Diesel engines don't start when they're cold. So let's try it again and see if it'll start this time. Look right here, it says preheating. Let's see. No. Preheating. Nah. All right, let's give it one more try. One more try. Nope, not today. Maybe we'll try to start it again tomorrow.